So guys, this is Engineer Waqas Ahmed and I welcome you all people batch number 182. Today we are going to learn our lecture number 1. In today's session, starting our journey from project planning and control, Primavera P6. The first thing we need to understand project management fundamentals. बहुत सारे लोगों के ज़हन में क्वेश्चन होगा. A lot of people have this question in their mind that they might be starting learning this session, the skill set from mid-career level. I'm going to deliver you each and everything from very basic level because that is the way we are going to understand anything, right? So it is not like आपको पहले पता होना चाहिए. No. If you are very fresher, if you are mid-career level, if you are experienced level, I'm going to start from very basic level, right? So that you are not going to miss anything. The second most important thing, we are going to understand project management knowledge areas, then scope management and WBS. A lot of things are new for you people, right? So don't worry, I'm going to make them very easy and relatable. Scope management and WBS, then project top to bottom templates, and then I'm going to create Primavera P6 introduction and how to create our first project file within Primavera P6. Then we are going to have a familiarity with EPC project and Primavera P6. So let's start. Let's talk about, even you are a civil engineer, electrical, mechanical. The first thing I would just want to make sure, I have asked this question, a lot of people out there in this session, they are civil engineers, right? They are mechanical engineers. They are electrical engineers. They are industrial, chemical, project management oriented, right? So what we need to understand over here, like there are variety of disciplines out there. So how planning engineering is going to deal with it? It is not like that. How many people, please, I need your reaction in chat box. How many people have understood this thing that if we are going to learn Primavera P6, अगर हम Primavera P6 सीख जाते हैं तो हम planning engineer बन जाएंगे. If we are going to learn this thing, we are going to become a planning engineer. How many people have thought process like that? We are going to become a planning engineer. Please, I need your reaction in chat box. I need you people to be very interactive, right? So that is how it is going to be very amazing session. Wasim Akram, yes, okay, no problem. I'll be guiding you. Don't worry. There are important 2 points I'm going to highlight, right? Don't worry. So actually, the reality is on the other way around. What is that one? आपने planning engineer बनना है. You are trying to become a planning engineer. The first thing you need to understand is project management. What does mean by project management? Let me explain about this thing relating to our life. In our lives, we all people, either we are from India, Pakistan, UK, Australia, we all are doing management in our lives. Like when we are going to talk anything about the time, when we are going to talk anything about the money cost, and when we are going to talk anything about people around us which are going to impact on our lives, these all things are management oriented things. If we talk about certain project management, it means how much time that project is going to consume, how much cost it is going to consume, and how many people or resources that project requires to complete. So these concepts are called project management. Along with this project management, to become a professional planning engineer, we need to understand the process. Like process means how to develop that thing. Like you're a civil engineer, you might be handling building construction project, road construction project, pipeline construction project, MEP project, combined cycle power plants, transmission lines. You can write your projects. Please, I need you people to write your certain projects. If you are currently working on building, road, pipeline, MEP, combined cycle power plant, any project, please, I need you people to write there. That is called, process oriented knowledge, right? That is what or you can say product development. Please, everybody should write, right? So that knowledge is very important. Like how to understand that knowledge. Like if I can give you an example of simple building construction. So first of all, you are going to make foundations, right? For the building construction. Then you are going to develop columns. Then you are going to develop beams. Then you need to construct top roof. Then you are going to make MEP, second story, third story. And if there is road construction project, the same. What are the steps out there? You understand what I mean? If there is pipeline construction project, fabrication, tank, how we are going to develop that certain product, that those stages, those steps, what is the process inside, that is called process oriented or product development. Do you understand? Then the third important point as a planning engineer you need to understand is preparation of data. Preparation or understanding, you can write here, understanding of data development. What does mean by that? Like, as an engineer, even I'm a fresher, I need to understand that how many stages, how many phases, how many milestones I need to cover to develop that building, road, pipeline. For a certain building, I need to construct first foundation. So how much time that requires, how much cost, how many people I require. For every single stage, I am going to repeat the same things, like how much time required for the column, right? For any project, it is very obvious. ये बड़ी आम सी बात है. किसी भी एक project के लिए there is a certain cost, $1 million. You understand? And 2 years. Now I need to divide that 1 million for every single phase, for foundation, for columns, for beam, for top roof, for MEP. And for every single stage, I have to define how much time, 4 weeks for foundation, 8 weeks for columns, 10 weeks for beams, 10, like this way. You understand? So that is how, what I'm actually doing. I am understanding the data. I'm integrating project management with product development. Please help me out in chat box area if you understood this important point. Please let me know. Are you with me so far? Please let me know in the chat. Is that understandable? Please. I need your reaction in the chat box. So it actually motivates me to proceed. Yes. This Hasibur Rahman is saying, explain. Hasib, what is the process here? You just take an example that you are going to construct a building, and to divide that building, उस building को छोटे छोटे हिस्सों में उसके different milestones में you have divided, right? And then you are going to, this is project management. We need to integrate that project management and product management. That is meant by understanding of data development, like how much time it will require to complete this foundation, how much, these are the three major milestones: time, cost, and people. For foundation, for columns, for beam, for top. And that is the understanding of data development. Now, where this data is going, ये data kahan jayega, where it is going, right? It is going to be loaded in Primavera P6, right? So the fourth most important thing is Primavera P6. That is the software. Because as a human being, I know that I cannot keep this thing in my mind in very accurate way, that $1 million, how it will look like, the trend, like kahan pe kitne paise kharch honge. It will not be easy for a human mind. So we need a very accurate, very philosophical, planning oriented software where we are going to feed that data and we are going to process that data as per our requirement. And the fifth most important thing we need to focus on is contract. Why? Because contract is a legal document, is a construction rule, is a construction law. In this document, you are going to have the information when your project is going to start, when your project is going to end up, when your project payments are going to due, right? These important things, the quality standards, the major project milestones, everything will be described in this fifth milestone, which is called project contract. So let me revise all of this information with you people, that how planning